welcome to our new facility. It's situated in Nelakote Sipcot, and it's around 1.31 acres facility. This facility is named as Excellent Surgical Drapes. Our parent company, as you know, is Excellent Fixed Drapes. Let's go in, please. Welcome to our new facility. As you can see, we have three corridors. One for the female entry, because we are having mostly female employees, so it's a bigger corridor. And this for the guest entry, and this is for the male entry. So we are just going through the male entry. Now we are entering into the change room area. And we enter into the clean room area of the facility. We have just entered into the clean room area of the facility, and this is the clean room corridor, as you can see. So we are entering into the raw material storage area 1. Here we are going to store all the raw materials here after the inspection at the staging area. Then we are going to stack all the raw materials here. So we can stack up to 3 to 4 20-feet containers of raw material. And here, from here, the raw material will pass on to the secondary raw material area. From there, it will go into the cutting process area. As we are entering into the factory, and now we are going to enter into the non-clean room area. We are entering into the facility where the decoiling and raw material storage areas are located, and to your left you can see the doors which leads to the microbiology lab, and this is the passage for the lab, and we have an exclusive wash area for the workers who are going to enter into the lab area. And moving on, we have the corridor which leads to the decoiling area, and for the raw material storage area 1 and raw material storage area 2, along with the fire exit. Entering into the decoiling room. And we have a machine imported for cutting that reduces the cutting waste, and it will speed up the cutting process. And in future we can expand this for a fully automatic cutting area. So for that reason only we have devised this room in such a big way, so that future cutting machines also can be incorporated in the new plant. So from here, the material will get cut in their respective sizes. Then the product will pass through a pass box here into the eye drape manufacturing area and for the stitching areas. And once we are entering into the clean room area, clean room corridor, and here we have the raw material storage area 2 for storing the secondary packaging raw materials and for label and other consumables. Moving on, in the same clean room corridor, you can see the decoiling area. So from this decoiling area, as I told you, there is we are going to install a 3-way pass box over here. So that will be the place where the raw materials which is getting decoiled will be distributed to the other sections of the factory. Here is the eye drape and inside drape packing facility. will have a dynamic pass box opening for taking the raw materials coming from the decoiling area into this area. This is exclusively made for manufacturing eye drapes and incise films, which we are going to import and we are going to pack here in India. So this is the decoiling area, and here you have the eye drape manufacturing area. And moving on, into the clean room corridor, and here you can see the material trapdoor that has been kept to pass on the raw materials from the decoiling area into the stitching area. Entering into the stitching area, where we currently have around 20 machines that has been installed, and this facility you can expand the machinery up to 40 machines. So we have the future expansion space, ports also ready for installation. We will receive the raw materials through this trapdoor into the stitching area, and once the stitching process is completed, the material will be passed on via this trapdoor to the next process of folding area. Now we are entering into the folding area, where the product's final folding and inner packing will be done. So here we can find the tables where they are going to make the folding. So after folding, and we have installed a new soft blister packing machine. Here the blister forming will be happening here, and in this place they will be placing the material inside that formed blister, and this is the printing machine, and from here the paper will come, which will be the top layer of that blister packing. So the forming will happen here, and finally it will get cut to the set size, and the finished packed product will be collected in the bin over here, and the wastages will be collected in this rolls on the either side. And from here we will have a pass box here, from where the product will go to the next stage of final packing. And we have a trapdoor here, so the products which we are going to pack in the conventional peel open pouches will pass through this trapdoor into the final packing area. Final packing and sealing area. The material for the sealing will be received from the folding area through this trapdoor, and we'll be sealing the peel open pouches here. And once the peel open pouches are sealed here, we'll have a pass box here, from where it will go to the secondary packing area. The final packing area, the material will now come to the secondary packing area. So from the soft blister packing machine, we'll have the pass box, from where the secondary packing materials will come to the secondary packing area, and here we will have another pass box coming from the final packing area. Here we will be doing the secondary packing, and the product will be sent for sterilization through this trapdoor. We are entering into the finished goods material holding area. So this side will be having materials that are going for sterilization. This side will be the materials after sterilization for aeration, and we have a carton box store here, from where we'll get the raw material for the secondary packing area, and we have the sterilization machine here, where we'll do the sterilization. And once the sterilized material or been kept for aeration, Then this material will be taken here for inspection. We'll be doing the sampling here, and the finished goods will be transferred through this trapdoor into the finished goods store. From there, the product will go for dispatch. Into the microbiology lab area. This area is not yet been commissioned, and we are planning to commission it once we have orders from Europe and US, so that until such time we don't want to overburden ourselves with investment. So this is the lab area. So we have designed the lab which can handle all the requirements that is required for getting European certification. The whole facility, lab facility, is been designed as per the requirements. So here this is for the sterility room. Sterility testing area actually. So you have two changes. So here they will be doing the sterilization testing, and that's the in, and this is the out. First change, second change, and exit. And this is another lab area. These are all designed as per the requirements and standards. As you can see here, this is all done. Here, and we have another lab here. Different rooms for different activities that have been required to test the products as per European standards. So once all these testings are done, the final report will be received here. This is the final QA/QC room, where we will get the reports, and the product will be approved for dispatch. So the overall facility is been ready for operation, and we have already applied for Class A and Class B licenses, and even we can go for Class C. As you can see, this plant has been designed and made in a way that this can be repurposed for making whatever product we want. Since the whole area has been made into a clean room, we can go not only for manufacturing of eye drapes and regular drapes, we can manufacture other range of products also, and we are planning to make some gauze also, final packing in our new plant, and we can make custom made packs also. And we can easily repurpose this plant to pack custom made gowns and gown packs and custom made kits also. Thank you.